we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we...
Morning, guys. Today is October 17th, Saturday. I just woke up. It's 5 o'clock. We're getting ready to go to Eagle Rock for today. Today I'm hosting the video personally, so before I get started, what we like to get going on is I like to make my coffee in the morning. So let me show you guys how I do this. All right. Yeah, so this is my mug right here. So I can't. This is my flask where I drink water. I usually drink like 5 of these at work. The drawing I did for my fiance Daisy. I love this coffee. This coffee right here, I highly recommend it. Really simple, Nescafe Clásico. I just put 1 or 2 teaspoons. I hot the water. I put the water to heat. Guys, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna start driving and we're gonna get ready for the road. See you guys soon.
Aquí está. Y ya venimos a echar gas to the car, you guys, so we can head over there. Go ahead. Por esta cara que le estoy enseñando. Sorry for this face, guys. We just woke up. We are heading over there to Eagle Rock hike. It's our first time heading over there. We're not really sure how it is, but we're going to show you guys the view and everything, so you guys can see. We're going to recommend it or not. Bueno, pues we'll see you guys in a bit. Atropellamos like our reindeer on the way.
I almost killed that.
And I was about to record. And I got scared.
Dude, if I wouldn't have honked,
no se hubiera movido.
The power of honking, guys. It does help. 2 times already, I prevented an accident by honking. There was a dead wolf back in the road.
Fox.
Yeah, it was a fox. It was a fox. It was dead. There's a bunch of crows, like probably 10 or 20 of them. So I had to honk, just to scare them away, clear the road, and then go around because I didn't know where the fox was at. And then right now, out of nowhere, just a reindeer hopped out. All right, guys. So we just got here. This is how it looks, the area. just FYI, to get to the area where we're going, if you Google it or if you use Apple Maps, just FYI, it doesn't really take you to the area, it just takes you directly to the rock, the Eagle Rock. So you have to stop by the pit fire here in Cal. It's a fire station in the school. There's a little pit stop where you can stop, and then from here you can continue the hike. That's if you want to go over and walk to the hike. If you just want to go and take a picture, then you can just go directly to the to where the rock is at. So we're gonna get started. It's pretty freezing. It's a nice day today all over here. It's really fresh. I love the weather. I'm here with Daisy. All right, so we're gonna get started. We're gonna try to figure out where to head out from here. All right, guys, stay in tune. All right, so we found the hike entrance. It's pretty legit. I like it so far.
growing like a baby one.
Actually, it's a good watermelon.
¿Ya?
Yeah. No, I think it's fine.
Pues todavía no se crecía. Son estas plantas estas, ¿no?
Sí, creo que ya.
There's a bunch of... Oh, sí, there's more right there. Look, they're baby ones. Take the watermelon. Don't kick it. Don't kick it.
It looks really nice, guys. So this is where the Google Map shows you where to come. So if you just want to just take the easy route, you can just go that way and come over here, and then you see the Eagle Rock. Or you can go through the trail, which is that way, and you get to see all that beautiful view.
So llegamos.
We made it, guys.
We made it.
I'm still alive.
Ya resolvimos allá arriba. Ahí está the Eagle Rock. We're heading back already. I feel like the heading back is more harder than the first, harder than the going up.
Finished the hike. It was a total of 6.39 miles. We made it.
We made it.
It was pretty long, but worth it. I highly recommend taking the trails. So I'm coming back, and I'm gonna show you guys where. So this is the fire station right here. This is the trail that you enter, where that guy is coming in with the family. So that's where the trail starts to head over.
So here's the entrance, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the barrel spring. Make sure to lock it.
So
Lock
this door locks at all times. You open it and close it, and then the fire station. And that's showing that entrance right there. Alright, guys. So this is the total amount of miles that we went. This is my amount of calories. This is the fire station part. So it's good, you can park right here, and then you guys can head right there towards that area. That's where the trails start, and you get a good hike. It's gonna be a total of, there's Daisy. Yeah, so don't forget to like, share, comment. If you guys want more videos of these, or any videos that you suggest for us to do, let us know in the comments as well. Thank you.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun.